So let us start the implementation of SOP using universal gate called NAND gate. The SOP function is summation f of a, b, c equals summation 7, 13, 14, 15. If only your output is true for this summation min term 7, 13, 14, 15 and rest of the min terms your output supposed to go low. So in the simplification of this SOP, in the previous case you are getting the equations from f of a, b, c, d after implementation of K-map using function f of a, b, d plus b, c, d plus a, b, c. The same thing can be simplified by applying the De Morgan theorems. Hence you are getting the equation f is equal to a, b bar into b, c, d bar into a, b, c bar of entire whole bar. So this, after getting the simplified equations in the terms of NAND gate, so this circuit diagram you are obtaining. Hence it is required 7410 IC. You need 4 gates. Each gate say have only 3 gates. Hence you require 2 number of ICs of 7410. Okay. So this is the experimental setup rig up for implementation of SOP for function f of a, b, c, d equals summation 7, 13, 14, 15. So in this setup, just if you give a, b, c, d are the 4 inputs, this is a one output. So when a is 0, b is 0, c is 0, d is 0 means main term it is 0. If it is 0, output is 0, hence there is no LED. If it is 0, 1, output is 0. If it is 1, 0, that is 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, output is 0. 0, 0, 1, 1, output is 0. 0, 1, 0, 0, 4, output is 0. 0, 1, 0, 1, 5, output is 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, or 6, output is 0. 0, 1, 1, 1, 7, now output supposed to get 1. See, now output is 1 for main term 7. And 8, 1, 0, 0, 0, output is 0. For 9, 1, 0, 0, 1, output is 0. For 10, 1, 0, 1, 0, output is 0. For 11, 1, 0, 1, 1, output is 0. For 12, 1, 0, 0, output is 0. For 13, 1, 1, 0, 1. For 13, 1, 1, 0, 1, output is true. For 14, 1, 1, 1, 0, output is true. For 15, all are 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, output is true. Hence, the implementation of SOP using universal gate called NAND gate, hence you are verified. SOP implementation, you are implemented using basic gate and NAND gate. Okay, so this completes implementation of SOP using basic gate and universal gate. See, in this experimental setup, I am implementing the Boolean equations, that is POS. In the previous case, I am implementing SOP function. I am implementing the POS function. So in this case, I am taking the POS function in terms of Boolean equation. The function f of a, b, c equals y equals a plus b, c into b plus ca. Okay, these are Boolean equations. I am simplifying these Boolean equations by using the distributive property and Boolean postulate. Hence, you are getting the equation y is equal to a plus b bar plus a plus c bar plus b plus c bar of whole bar. Okay, the every terms must be in terms of SOP, sorry, in terms of POS. Hence, each term is a sum term. Okay, this is one sum term. Okay, product of sum. Okay, Hence you are getting A plus B into A plus C into B plus C bar whole entire bar. You apply De Morgan theorems. So you are getting POS, product of sum term. Okay, so this is implemented by using basic gate as well as NOR gate, universal gate. POS implemented using basic gate and NAND gate. Similarly, SOP also implemented using basic gate and NAND gate. POS also implemented by using basic gate and NAND gate. So in this case I am using basic gate. In this setup, it is the external setup for implementation of POS using basic gates. So in this basic gate I am referred is 7404. The second slot it is 7408. In the third slot it is OR gate 7432. We require 3 number of ICs and connect the power supply VCC and ground to a respective pin. The pin 14 connected to VCC, pin 7 to ground for all the 3 ICs. And then connect this, since the function is a 3 variable, you can connect A, B, C to a respective inputs and do the connections as per circuit diagram. Okay, then apply the inputs. See, for this given function you must analyze and write the truth table for A, B, C variables. Okay, since there are 3 variables, 2 power 3 is equal to 8 possible combinations, you apply all the 8 inputs to the equations and write what is the corresponding output. So that gives the truth table. So based upon that truth table, you rig up the circuit as per circuit diagram, then verify the obtained truth table. It is matched with your designed truth table. Okay, so now the setup is connected. So now power supply is on. A, B, C, 3 variables, A0, B0, C0. According to this implementation of given function, its output is true only for the decimal notation 4, 5, 6, 7. It is logic 0 for min term 0, 1, 2. See, since it is 0, 0, 0, output is 0, 0, 0, 1, output is 0, 0, 1, 0, output is 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, output is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, output is true, that is 4, 1, 0, 1, 5, output is true, 1, 1, 0, output is true, 1, 1, 1, output is true. Okay, so output is 0 for the max term 0, max term 1, max term 2, okay, and remaining term max term 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it is 1. Hence, you are verifying the POS equation using basic gates. This clears the implementation of SOP and POS using basic gate and universal gates.